Today I'll show you how to add Yahoo Mail to Gmail. By the end of this video, you'll have all of your Yahoo emails flowing right into your Gmail inbox so you can manage everything from one place without constantly switching tabs or apps. First, go ahead and open Gmail in your web browser. Make sure you're signed into the Google account where you want your Yahoo messages to appear. It's usually easiest to do this on a desktop or laptop because we'll be using the full settings menu that doesn't always show up the same way on mobile. Once Gmail is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon, which is the settings button. Click that and a small panel will slide out. In that panel, select the option that takes you to all settings. This will open a full settings page with several tabs along the top. From here, click on the tab labeled Accounts and Import. This is where Gmail lets you manage other email addresses, send mail as different accounts, and check mail from outside services like Yahoo. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right place. You should see sections related to changing your account settings, importing mail, and checking mail from other accounts. Now look for the section called Check Mail from Other Accounts. Under this section, you'll see a link that says Add a Mail Account. Go ahead and click that. A small pop-up window or dialog box will appear. If your browser blocks pop-ups, you may need to allow them for Gmail, then try clicking the link again. In the pop-up, you'll be asked to enter the email address of the account you want to add. Type in your full Yahoo Mail address carefully, then continue. Gmail will then guide you through connecting to Yahoo. Depending on the current interface, it may ask if you want to link the account using POP3 or a similar method. Follow the on-screen prompts and choose the option that allows Gmail to check and fetch mail from your Yahoo account. Next, you'll be asked to sign in with your Yahoo credentials. Enter your Yahoo email address and your Yahoo password on the Yahoo login page that appears, just like you normally would when signing into Yahoo Mail. Make sure you're doing this on the official Yahoo login screen inside the pop-up. Once you've signed in, Yahoo will show you a permissions page asking if you want to allow Gmail to access your mail. This is necessary so Gmail can read and copy your Yahoo messages into your Gmail inbox. Carefully review the permissions, then click to allow access. After you confirm, the window will close or return you to Gmail settings. Gmail will usually show a confirmation message that the account has been added. From this point on, Gmail will start checking your Yahoo Mail automatically and pulling new messages into your Gmail inbox. This might take a few minutes at first, especially if you have a lot of existing mail. If you ever want to adjust how often Gmail checks Yahoo, or you want to remove the connection, you can come back to the Accounts and Import tab in Gmail settings. You'll see your Yahoo address listed under Check Mail from Other Accounts, and you can edit or delete it at any time. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added Yahoo Mail to Gmail, and your inbox should now be much easier to manage from one central place.